Hi, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. Today I'm here with an assembled B200 series push plate. You can see the plate here on the front. It is the handicap logo with the push to open text, or press to operate door, sorry. And this is the surface mount box here for it. And I was just going to show you a couple tricks about this, and I'll show you disassembly for it as well, in case you need to get into your transmitter to replace it, in case you need to change the battery because the plate is no longer working. So the nice thing with the B200 series is they have this screw down here. Now this screw allows you to remove the push plate very easily and get into the transmitter and replace that battery or swap out that transmitter if you need to. If we were doing a normal battery replacement or something, all you got to do is go look underneath. You'll see that screw, and we're just simply going to back it out. It comes right out, and obviously this will be mounted on the wall, but let me stick something in here. And then all you do is you just lift out and up, and it comes right off, and then you're left with just the back plate. So this would still be mounted to the wall, but then you have access to the full plate. Now I don't have a transmitter in this one, but on the B200 series, the transmitter would be located right here. There you can see there's slots right here or right here. But there's slots, and it slides in there, and then your 9-volt battery kind of tucks in right here. I don't have a transmitter in this one. This is just a surface mount box. But that would give you access. You can pop out the 9-volt battery, replace it, put it back in, and you should be good to go. If you needed to replace the transmitter, you just you slide out the board and pull out the 9-volt and put it back in. Now, when you do swap out transmitters on these, you got to make sure that you match your dip switch code. If you do not match your dip switch code, then it will not be able to communicate with your receiver, which means that you'll get it all back together, push the button, nothing will happen. So always be sure to check that. Now, we can, so that's how you remove the back plate and get into the guts here. Now, let's say you needed to replace the faceplate. On the B200 series, that happens when this wears off. We see that on the B200 series, the text will wear off and it'll just become stainless steel look after several years of use, especially heavy use. It's as simple as removing these two screws. So we're going to remove these two screws. And the faceplate will just come right off and expose the cherry switch, and it'll also expose the two screws that hold the backing plate onto the push plate box itself. So all you got to do, remove these. There you go. And that is how you disassemble and assemble the B200 series push plate. If you have any questions or you need to buy one of these, you can do it at www.autodoorandhardware.com. Thank you.